Hey guys, it's Josh from Nucar. It's time for another Did You Know? Today we're looking at a brand new Nissan Rogue 2023. This is the Platinum package. Today I'm going to show you how to use the motion activated liftgate feature. Step 1, you gotta have the key. It's going to detect the key fob. This is the activation zone. It's about 1.5 feet in the rear of the vehicle. Don't put your foot sideways. You want to kick in and immediately step back from the activation zone, like so. Step back, you hear the beeping, it raises right up. Now I can do the same thing, and it lowers right back down. Piece of cake. If you're ready to go hands-free with your lift gates, time to stop in and see why everyone loves a new car.